Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about Google Cloud Quick Start in tutorial. So in this video I will be talking about how we can quickly get the Google Cloud all solution material, and how we can start and how we can get the quick solution. So as you can see in the URL which I have already shared. So this is the URL I'll provide you in my description box. But as soon as you navigate to this page, in the left hand side, filter by which area you are looking for the solution, the quick start. For example, you are looking for container solution or compute solution, right? So you select. So related to compute solution, all the solution you can find in one place, right? For example, you are looking for security and compliance or related solution, you can get here. And if I'll talk about the networking, so related to networking related solution, if you are looking for, so you can get in one place. I mean, this is all about how we can quickly get the solution. Suppose you are working for some migration solution, right? How we can migration and what are the area which you are looking for the solution. So this document will really help you to help your existing solution what you are looking for, right? Related to AIML, right? So this is the things. And if you are looking for hybrid and multi-cloud solution, how we'll do that? So all the document in one place. Similarly, all the document you can get over here. So I hope this video will be helpful. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.